Hello everyone, welcome to yet another tutorial. Today we are going to look at how to model the hand, texture map the hand, do rigging and create animation using forward kinematics. In the future tutorial, we will also look at how to create inverse kinematics. So let us get started and see how this is done. So we will model the hand first in Blender. I'm using Blender 3.3. First thing we need is a reference for a hand. So we'll go to add, image, reference, and we will look for a reference for our hand. So I downloaded a hand reference. I'll hit the N key and make these all 0 and go to top view. And you will see that I've drawn some lines to indicate how we should model this hand. So we'll do a low poly and add a subdivision. To make this see-through, we'll go to the see-through mode, hit the tab to go to edit mode, and we will start modeling the hand. So we'll start from here. This point goes here. This will go here. And this will go here. So if I hit the front view, you can see that it's quite big. So we'll make it narrow. Also, we want this side to be skinnier than that. So we need like a squarish shape here and a squarish shape here. So try to have that done. I will add a subdivision here for our elbow area. And because I will not add this line, I will add one here and one here. So this is the bend area, so we need more segments, and I need one segment in the middle. So we have like squarish polygons. I'll add one here, and we have one here. Okay, and then we will select this and extrude out till here and extrude out till here. And then we need to extrude this out, but it has to be extruded from here. So we will need a segment here. And then we will use this to extrude out. Go to top view, and then one goes here, this one goes here, this will go here. I'll leave it like this. We need one segment here, so I'll add one here, and then we will adjust this. Okay, and then we need our fingers to be narrow, so we'll select all these, go to the front view and scale it. Okay, so we can scale this. The thumb can be narrower and bigger if you want. Okay, so that's the basic modeling for the hand. We will delete this polygon. Okay, so it is hollow. We are done with the reference, so I'll delete it. This is the hand. We will modify and add subdivision surface. 2 iterations, object, shade smooth, go to top view, go to edit view, and you can add some bulge if you want. This has to be more towards this area. to be activated again. So I undid those things and then I'll scale this. I want this to be here, and we can scale this further, and then we can add a segment here that can be narrowed. Okay, so we want like squarish polygons. So that's our hand. Now for texture mapping, we'll go to Photoshop, and I have an image with skin color, noise, blur, and these two tattoo images that I found online. So you'll have to create an image like this for the texture mapping, and we will assign that image. Okay, and then now we need to do some UV mapping so that the texture is right. So we go to UV editing, make sure that this is selected. So you can see that this is our entire mesh. So first we'll go to UV, unwrap UV, and then maybe a cube projection, rotate and scale it, and move it aside. Okay, so you can see that you have a gray texture to the character. Now we need to decide which is top. So this is the top part, so I'll put one tattoo here. So if we go to this, 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 and this, and this, we need these here, and then I'll hit the L key, and move them aside so we know which one is which. So this and this stays in the middle, this and this stays on the side, and this stays on this side. Okay, so now we need to make sure that this is right. So we can simply bring this close together. So simply by scaling we should make sure that everything works fine. Looks like there is no tattoo here. So if you look at this, this is flipped. So I'll select this, and then these need to be on this side, and these need to be on the other side. Okay. So you can try to simply move things on top so they match. You can see that I'm doing really quick and dirty work. You can spend more time. This is because of the tutorial. I'm not spending too much time on this. Okay, so this will determine how long or how short you want it. And the whole thing can be scaled out and placed wherever you want it. Okay, down or up. And that's how you can do the texture mapping. In the next class, we'll look at rigging.